Magandang hapon po. Nagpapasalamat ako na tayo nag-shootan dito from pag-iwan itong exhibit ng mga pintor na tinagyapo o kaya pintor na nagpapasalamat. Tama-tama, yung celebration ng isang bahay ni Padilla. Kasi si Manny Padilla ay isang pintor din at ito siyang isang gentleman ng kilalang si Felipe Resurrection. Padilla. Si Felipe Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, ating mahal na pintor at bayani, ay ninuno ni Manny Padilla. Yung bahay na kanyang konti ay dati nakatayo sa harap ng San Sebastian. Kaya nga pinangalan kong Felix Resurrection Hidalgo. Sayang yung mama si Manny Padilla. Kasi talagang pinagmamalaki ko kanya. Siya rin na inabot. Makikita natin sa exhibition ito na marami palang magaling na pintor pa rin. Kasi ako mamamasak ko. Kaya ating pag-enjoy yung mga pintor na, yung mga painting dito. Ako impressed sa ako.
Maraming salamat po sa introduction niyo po. Welcome you, President. This breathtaking species venue is a work of art and history in its own right. We are immensely privileged to have with us the custodian of this creative sanctuary. Their family has generously opened their home to the art community. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear a few words from the Padilla Ancestral House and Gallery, Mrs. Mia Tambuting Padilla.
Magandang hapon. Hindi ako kasing galing ni Butch Managalo. Welcome to the Fiesta of Manila. Fiesta ba ito in Manila? Yes. Okay. When Maria asked me to say something about the house, actually, to be honest with you, my late husband, who passed away in 2018, was the one who was managing it. Okay, so I didn't know that much about it, but just by coincidence, thanks, I think, to AI, I found an article a few days ago that was written by Ambeth Ocampo only 2 months ago, mga March 2026. And in his column, they talked about the unwritten will. And if you, as Butch mentioned, Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, may kasama yung E. Padilla, but many times you don't see the E. Padilla kasi medyo mahaba na ng pangalan. So, but his mother was named Maria Barbara Padilla. I found this out all through Ambeth Ocampo's article. And there are a few portraits of her by Hidalgo. So, I just wanted to mention that because apart from being the mother of a painter, she was a very good businesswoman. So she owned several properties from Tondo, Binondo, Santa Cruz. So I think this must have been one of her properties or one of her family members' properties. So that is what Ambeth Ocampo is trying to emphasize. She was a very good businesswoman. So the painter, Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, was very devoted to her. So when my husband started wanting to make this into a gallery, he alluded that interest to his relation to Hidalgo. And tama-tama this is Kaya Hidalgo. I mean, that is Kaya Hidalgo. So, just a little background. So, I think it was 2012 or 2013 when we started to invite people here in January 9. Prior to that, yung mga paintings ng husband ko are like, were like the abstract that if you look closely depict certain rooms. Now, after our first visit with guests, January 9, 2012 or 2013, he got inspired to paint or to depict fiesta. So if you can see, that's the Fiesta of the Nazareno. I'm not even sure what this is. Maria, can you help me? I don't know. But these are several fiestas all around the country. So just to give you an idea what the paintings are about, those are how they came about. And if you look, there's a painting of women there, Asian-inspired pictures, and that shows his interest in the Japanese, Taiwanese, Asian tea ceremony. So a lot of the people who do the tea ceremony serve them in that bar. So I hope we're very honored to have the local artists exhibit in the next few days. So I hope you can appreciate their art and happy fiesta. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mia, for sharing that. And tonight, we are showcasing the brilliant work of exceptional artists. It's capturing Quiapo in uniquely profound ways. To weave these individual perspectives into a unified narrative, we rely on the expertise of a truly brilliant. To speak more about the overarching concept of Quiapo in visual art, the rigorous selection process, and why these works carry a deep significance, especially as we celebrate Araw ng Maynila and position of Quiapo as an essential cultural destination. It is my honor to introduce our exhibit organizer, our very own Tita Bobby Nakpil Santos Viola. Let us welcome her.
Baliwala ang araw ng Maynila kung hindi kasama ang Quiapo. At ang importante rin ay ang ating mga artist, mga pintor, at iba-ibang field larangan ng kultura. Pero angkop ng po na nandito kayo dahil nga po ay ito ay naliktahanan ng isang pintor at nakikita natin na maliwanag ang kanyang mensahe. Nabuhayin natin ang sining ng mga artista, kay pintor, kay musika, at angkop ang araw ng Maynila na mga ginaganap po sa araw na ito ay tungkol sa Maynila. So parte po kayo, kahit na hindi mo kayo taga-Quiapo, ang tawag ng mga taga-Quiapo ay Quiapense, ngunit yung pong inyong mga larawan, nakikita na meron din pala kayong puso para sa Quiapo, Maynila. So, yan po ang naging inspirasyon namin. Magkaroon tayo ng isang exhibit. Tapos po, napakaganda sa gallery na nasa puso ng Quiapo. Dito po sa Padilla Mansion. Maraming salamat po sa pagdaroon ninyo. At matatapos na po ang aming kwentuhan. Ibibigay ko yung kung kayo po ulit yung video.
Maraming salamat, Tita Bobby. And at this point, we want to honor the incredible hands and creative minds that brought this gallery back to us. Featuring today works of two artists from Quiapo District, a true, tama po ba yung pronunciation ko? Quiapense. It's a term used for native Quiapo, taga-Quiapo, or batang Quiapo. Of late, Padilla Gallery owner Manny Padilla and Villarreal, along with artist works which you will see today. The exhibition is being co-curated by D.B. Villarreal, Wing Reales, Sandra Weber, and Associate Professor Mary Ann Venturina Bolanito. We will now present the certificates of recognition and participation for exhibiting artists. May I request Dr. Jessica and Mrs. Mia Padilla to please come in front as we present the certificates of participation. So for the artists, We will go by alphabetical order of your first name. As I call your name, dear artist, please step forward to receive your certificate and stay in front for a group photo. So first, we want to give recognition to our curator, Sir Arsenio Ding Royales. Please come in front. So we present today the certificate of recognition in acknowledgement of your dedicated service as associate curator at Bahay ng Philbotista, Takana ng mga kapatid. Your curatorial care and collaborative spirit help sustain its mission in promoting culture and arts. Thank you so much.
Si Mustard.
Thank you so much. So we'll proceed already with the certificates of participation. Please, dear artists, when we call your name, please come in front and receive your certification. So first, we would like to call Mr. Archie C. Asirso. For the photo.
Daming checking niya.
Sige. We'll have a group for photo later on na lang. I'll call each one of the artists na lang po. So, Bin Samonte.
Yun yung wala.
Okay. So, BD Villarreal are also our co-curator.
Ayan.
So, let me read it first lang po dito, Sir BD. We also, this certificate of participation is also as a co-curator to share this time and artwork at the 2th week special exhibit. So, thank you so much, Sir BD. Don Verano. Jaylene Samonte. Jose Pamitian Jr. Larry Herrera. Lorenzana Evangelista.
What's that?
Marvel Oberio. Michael Espiritu. Michael Espiritu. Noli V. Espanola. Ruel Cabanti. And Sam Calderon. Sorry, are there any artists na palang nalik kumatin that we were not able to call? Okay, I'll just announce yung iba. Baka sakali lang. Ha? Okay. Allende Muer Alvin. At ito yung iba, baka nandito. Arnold Estrella. Justin Paul.
Justin Paul dito.
At least, kami na naman mag-picture ko tayo later. Okay. Cherry D.B. Agoyaoy. Jojo Garcia. Ramon San Diego. Jojo V. Garcia. Mario
graduate na ako.
Maribel Marigalan.
Galing mo yan sa BPI. BPI.